Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to disable BitLocker automatic device encryption during Windows 11 2.4H2 installation. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. To disable BitLocker automatic device encryption during Windows installation, when you get to the out-of-box experience screen, press the Shift key plus F10 to open the command prompt. Type regedit, then hit Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to local machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, BitLocker. Then right-click here and choose stored 32-bit value, and name it Prevent Device Encryption. Then double-click on it, and change the data value to 1 and click on OK. Then go ahead and close the registry editor and command prompt. Method 2. After you finish the Windows installation, when you get to the desktop, press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then click on Device Encryption. If you want to disable the BitLocker automatic device encryption that Microsoft started using in Windows 11 2.4H2, disable it and wait until the decryption finishes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.